Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy, Galaxy Gamer. Jeez, brother. Nope, shotgun only. Shotgun only! Ah! Yep. Shotguns only is actually pretty hard. Because I can't use it for long range, I gotta push them. Just really hard for me. Oh jeez, no! Rip. Okay, let's go again. Not sure if you guys can see everything here. Let me, nope, that's terrible. I want to trade so bad. Hello. Oh, I could have had a 4-kill streak. That would have been amazing. Hello to my stereo. If I had a suppressed pistol, I would have wanted to use it so bad so I could get that silent kill. But I guess they would have noticed anyway. But at the time I killed them, it would show an X, so... Dude, that was my AFK kill. What the flip, bro? Don't be killing my friends. Oh, jeez. Oh, gosh. Better not be coming down here, bro. You came down. Why did you come down? Jeez, man. Just, why did you come down? Yeah, shotgun's only challenge. I just thought of that up. Oh, my... I want to switch to AR so bad. But if we get on this map again, shotgun's only on this map. Just to entertain you guys. Oh my, I'm really bad. I guess you guys could already tell that. Okay, let's go again. Oh gosh, that's a horde. And I could not move for some reason. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, what the flip? Oh my. I flew so far. Did you guys see that? Oh. Okay, that was good. That was pretty funny. Hello. Oh, you shooting at somebody? That's very nice, you died. Oh! And so did I. Let's see. Yes. Oh, jeez! I'm in the middle! Ah! No! Oh my gosh! Wow. Can I please spawn right here instead so that way I could just rush right away? Jeez, is that a sniper? I think that was a sniper. Holy cow. Let's try to get full screen. Well, at least I spawned here, but I keep spawning in the wrong way. It's really annoying. Oh, jeez. No! Dang it. Let's hit it. Na-na-na. 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 My kill. No! No! Oh, man. If there was an AR only challenge, I would do it. Sorry if you guys can't see the top of my screen. I forgot I always set it for my last camera. Yes, a different map. Let's go. Get your shooting thumbs ready. Pew, 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 pew. Okay, let's go for an assault rifle. Hawk. Booyah, boy. Oh my. I was looking at my camera. Get out of here. Ah. I'm out of ammo on the Mac. Oh, if only I could fall down there. Okay, waiting time is over. Now we go for the real. I'm so sorry if you guys can't see. I'm trying to do my best. And I'm on breach again. That's... Oh my... Just... Oh... Don't sneak up on me like that, bro. Ah! My kill now. Your booty mine. Oh my gosh. Let's get back into that action. Oh, he was shooting at me until my spawn protection was off, but he ran out of ammo. Oh my gosh, that's sad. I can't, what the flip? I can't drop the hawk. I like cheeseburgers. I can't drop, oh, there we go. Somebody behind us. Oh my, I did not even see him. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Go. Get wrecked. There we go. Now I can draw. No, this is not the gun I want. Yeah, give me this. Rip. Oh, I was about to switch guns. Give me that MP5. This is really hard. No! Don't you dare. That's full of cops. Whatever they're called. I have no idea. Die. Thank you. Well, he died. Oh, jeez. So many guns and bodies everywhere. Scattered. The guns are like scattered across the floor. I'm surprised they haven't despawned yet. Oh shoot. Oh no, literally. Yeah, I saw that on the radar. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna keep the MP5. It's really good on damage for an SMG. The MP7 is not good though. think it was AFK. I'm at 3 health. Yup. Sometimes I want to be so done with this game. Hello. M4. M4s are pretty good for an AR. Rep. Okay, it's shot time. I love the shotties in this game. Just why are you killing my friends? Rep. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna leave it off there. The neck's starting to hurt, so make sure just leave a like on the video, subscribe, and bye. Oh yeah, don't forget. Also slap that bell if you're new to the channel and subscribe. Bye.